Hi everyone, welcome to the complimentary video to lesson 4 of my tutorials, Programming Basic Computer Programming Language. Okay, well we're continuing on from lesson 3 obviously, and this one is still covering loops because loops are such an important aspect in computer programming that I'm going to spend 2 or 3 lessons on this subject, I think, just to make sure you all fully understand the different types of loops that you can use. If you haven't seen the tutorial, excuse me, I will leave the link in the description here for you to go to it. But I must say that you really want to start the tutorials from lesson 1 and work your way up. They are designed for people who have no prior knowledge whatsoever of computer programming. They're designed from a beginner's point of view, and they are to teach the concept of programming. So please don't think these are going to be the bee's knees of programs I'm doing for any means. I'm doing them in a simple manner, laying things out and explaining every line, what it does, etc. So take a look at the programming, the full series of programs that I've got in the lessons. And if you want other tutorials, please take a look at our site. We've got thousands of tutorials on there now, free to join, and I'm sure you'll find something that you want to do. Anyway, so let's crack on with the program then. So this is the program that we've typed in lesson 4, and this basically is just a glorified adding machine. Really, it doesn't do anything else. All it does is it keeps a running total of donations that customers have donated to charity as they've gone through a supermarket door. We can enter the value of 0 so that we know how many customers. If customers do not donate, we still put a 0 in there because we count the customers. The reason we're going to do that is because we want to find out the average donation per customer so that head office can decide which is the best site to go to in future for the best return for customers. So okay, let's crack on with the program. There's the program, as you can see, all in front of you as is laid out in lesson 4 on my tutorial. And as usual, we'll hide the editor on run, and we'll give it a run and let you see how this program actually works. Here we go. Enter donate amount from customer. Okay, the first customer through the door donates, I don't know, 20. Okay, so we'll accept that. Now this is where the new line came in, the CLS line on line 35. CLS command, sorry, which was on line 35 that I mentioned that you don't need to use, but you see the difference. If I hadn't put that line in, then we'd have another one of these underneath here, and that would carry on and carry on and carry on all the way down, which would clutter the screen up. So we don't really want that, so I put the CLS in. So it just means that the next donation amount comes back in exactly the same place, and it'll sit there waiting until the next customer comes. Okay, so the next customer comes and donates 10. So we put that in, and then the next customer comes and they're really mean. They're not gonna donate anything. Okay, they don't like the particular cause you're collecting for or anything like that. Then we've got another customer who comes and who donates 15, and we've got yet another customer who comes and they want to donate but they've no cash. They've just got credit cards. So okay, so they can't actually put anything in. So we've got another one that's going to put note in there. We've got a really generous customer now that's going to come and they've donated all the change out of the pocket, and they've donated 35. Okay, so that's it. Okay, the end of the day comes along now, and we want to finish the program. So this, as you can see, will just go around in a loop and a loop all the time. No matter what value you put in, you can put 1,000,000 in there, it doesn't matter, it would still go around in a loop. The way to end it, as I explained in the program, which is detailed in there, is to put a negative value in. So what I'm going to do here to close it, I'm going to put in -1 as it's end of business for today, and the program should now jump out of the loop and give us the total for the day. And there, as you can see, total donations 80, total customers 6, average per customer 13.33. Well, 3333, but 33 is okay. So as you can see, guys, the program does work. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. What I would do is encourage you to copy paste the program into this Run Basic site. Try and alter it a little bit and see what you can come up with. Maybe you want to add something to the program to add other features to it. improve the layout of it, whatever you want. Play about with it and see what you can do. But you can copy paste it, or you can actually write your own programs in here. Hope you've enjoyed that. I'll be making more of these tutorials soon, covering other aspects. So if you like them, please rate them and add them to your favourites and subscribe to our channel. Also, please visit our site. The link will be put in the description, like I said earlier on. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.